your water well. The lesser you eat cooked food, the more you eat raw food, longer your life. Anti-aging properties. Anti-aging properties. Okay? Now, what about lunch? When you're having lunch, what would you like to have? Now we are having summer and it's horrible outside. It's really horrible outside. When I was coming here, I had the commissioner's car next to me. Otherwise I do zoop, 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 zoop. At the end I got fed up of being, decent. I said, I am decent but not so decent. I went so fast that he was left behind. And then I called up my daughter because her father-in-law's brother is that Shivanandan. I said, if I send you a missed call, it means I've been arrested for speeding. So she asked me what happened. I said, baby, my AC is full and I'm perspiring in my car. She said, no problem, Mama. One look at you and they'll run away. It's like that. So it's so hot. So then what would you do? Yeah, please. Chas. Now, in the chas, what would you put? What salt?
Regular salt.
No. From tomorrow morning, I'm not saying today because then you'll have to go shopping. From tomorrow morning, if you change the cooking medium of salt in your house, believe me, your health will improve 99%. Instead of using the Tata Namak, use rock salt, Khada Namak. That has got no... Tell me something, do you actually require that much of iodine in your body?
That's what I say. We don't know about it. How much you require. Then you will have some problem.
No. You are getting your regular iodine from the food that you are eating, from the leafy green vegetables that you are eating, from the salads that you are eating. You have a computer, no?
Yes.
Google it. Iodine content in daily food, and it will give you 10,000 pages. Then why do you need added iodine? And that rock salt.
What about sea salt?
Pardon?
Sea salt.
What salt?
Sea salt.
Sea salt. Sea salt is the rock salt. Yeah. हाँ मोटा ना तो दरिया से लेके आते हैं इसको धोते होते कुछ नहीं है they just keep it in the sun and then they chana it, dry it out and give it. That is khada namak.
Comes as granules then?
Yeah, it's actually not granules now, it comes as rocks. You have to break it up. So when it's sold in the shops, they break it up and make it into granules. I buy 5 kgs at a time. Sena namak is different. No. Sena namak is little beigeish, brownish in color. You can have that, but rock salt is the best. It will change the health level of the food that you are cooking. So, I think everybody who attended my diet and nutrition last time, they have already told me that they don't pass out any air, there is no acidity, there is no flatulence. These are all natural medicines for your tummy problems that nature has given you.
What about BP? BP will also be the water.
BP, you have no problem of BP because it is... See, when do you get BP? Since you brought up, that was my next topic, but since you brought up, tell me.
I also give that same question.
You are having Tata salt?
But I have no BP. My mother, she is getting BP.
Okay. Can I say something? I've given most of you all a very easy exercise and you have seen the miracle that we have created with that. We have taken your BP at my CST center. This person came and she said that doctor has said she has to take so many So I very sweetly told her, मैम तो आप खाना कब खाएंगे जब सुबह में, दोपहर में और रात में इतनी दवाइयां, 12 capsules, and the lady was fed up. Take your little finger, put it in both your fingers, put it in your ear and shake it vigorously for 1 minute. Vigorously for 1 minute. And after that, take your BP again. And you will see how much it falls. If you do this regularly for 3 to 4 times in a day, at the end of the month, you can give your BP medicine back to your doctor कि आप खुद खा लो. Because every time you come for my lecture, I'll be telling you something new. You will go and tell him तो बेचारे का BP तो बढ़ जाएगा ना. So give your BP medicine to him. हाँ? Same. This exercise what I have shown you all is called a balancer. अगर आपका BP high है तो नीचे आ जाता है, अगर नीचे है तो बराबर हो जाता है. It's called a balancer. It reverses the. Pardon? जहाँ आप मुझे you're asking me for medical advice, I would say do it for 3 months. कभी जिंदगी मरते दम तक आपको बीपी का प्रॉब्लम ही नहीं होगा. You should never, बोलते ना, you should never keep BP with you, always give it to the other person. मैं तो बोलती हूँ आप स्ट्रेस क्यों ले रहे हो, सामने वाले को दे दो. Like yesterday there was a party somewhere at Nala Supara, and I told my daughter कि ड्राइवर नहीं आ रहा है. She said, मम्मा आप नहीं जा सकते हो. You see, I've become the baby now, and she's become the mummy, and I just got her married in August. अभी मुझे, if I have to get up at 7 o'clock, I say, Ashu, I'm putting my azan का clock for 7. मम्मा 6:30 बजे हम उठने वाले, आपको कहाँ जाना है? CST. Okay, रुको. She'll call the, अरे but I can drive, I love driving. I told you to take the driver and go now. So I am, in reverse, whatever I used to tell her, but I am enjoying it. It's become like that with children now. But thank God, whatever I tell her, she is seeing her medical, she has a medical problem and she's seen what I have told her. She took me to Bridge Candy Hospital, Dr. Sonawala. He said the complete surgery will cost 5.5 lakhs. Complete surgery for my younger daughter will cost me 5.5 lakhs. She has some problem. So I told her, chalo, book shop mein jayenge. You give me 3 months and I will do it for you. I will teach you and you will do it when you are in your office. And with that 5.5 lakhs, I'll buy you a car. क्या मम्मा 5.5 लाख में कोई गाड़ी आती है क्या? I said I will buy you. I went and that Nataraj black color का pencil, beautiful pencil, 2.5 rupees का, for women's and men's gynecological problem, you buy that pencil and you just rub it here. And I told the team, and I taught you all that. No, just here on both the side of the wrist. I told her 3 months. She said, we speak Marathi at home. So she said, you are giving me 3 months. I am giving you 6 months. And I said, okay, अभी बड़े बच्चे हो जाते हैं ना, बोलते हैं ना, बच्चे जब माँ के जूते पहन लेते तो माँ को अपना शानपन थोड़ा रखना चाहिए कबाट में. After 6 months, I said, come on, I will pay that 2,500 Dr. Sonawala ka fees and you go and get yourself checked. And the problem 5.5 lakh ka operation ka, Dr. Sonawala is telling me, what have you done to your daughter? Where is that problem? I can't find it. I said, chal, 5.5 rupees, nikal abhi, lakh. She said, you said you are buying me a car? I said, yes, I will buy you a car. You give it to me in writing on stamped paper that whenever you have any problem like that, you will let me know. First you will take my advice and then you go ahead and get your head also cut better for me. All the property I will get, no? 5.5 lakh rupees bach gaye. I had to put in 2 more lakhs and I bought her the, what is that, Maruti Suzuki. She wanted desire. So I said, okay, desire.